Alright, today I've got a toothbrush to review. Now, you're probably wondering, Sam, has your channel really got to the point where you're now reviewing toothbrushes? Unfortunately, it has. But it is still a techie product, because this isn't just a ordinary manual toothbrush, it's not even an electric toothbrush. This is an automatic toothbrush with tooth whitening as well. So essentially, the idea is you stick this in your mouth, you click a button and it just does something and it cleans your teeth without you having to like manually move it about or use your arms. So sounds pretty interesting actually. I quite like the concept, but does it actually work? That's the big question, and that's what we're here to find out. So without further ado, let's crack it open and give it a good test. And this is called the V-White 360 electric toothbrush with cold light. Get ready for cleaner teeth, brighter smiles. Sounds pretty impressive, I quite like it. Let's just open it up. There we go. Gums, massage and protection. Alright, so you get a USB cable to charge it. You get the actual toothbrush itself. Anything else? Oh, yeah. Oh, wow. You get pretty nice charging dock, I'm assuming. Yeah, there's a charging dock, and of course a manual. So packaged very nicely, I've got to say. The packaging is actually pretty decent. So let's open up the toothbrush. Let's see how it is. Right, now you can get it in different colors. If you don't want a pink one, you can get different colors. I'm not entirely sure why I've got a pink one, but who cares? The color doesn't really matter. So this is the actual device. Ooh. How do you switch it off? Ah, there you go, hold it down. Oop, now switch it back on. Right, okay. So clearly it's got different settings. The actual toothbrush itself, I don't know if you can see, but it's just a silicone, kind of silicone rubber. There's no actual bristles like a real toothbrush has, like an ordinary toothbrush has. So there's no actual bristles, it's just a silicone rubber type thing. And it's kind of like a mouth guard, so you literally just insert it, click the button, and that's it. Interesting, very interesting. I can't tell you how good it is, because I haven't tried it yet. So that's the actual charging dock, which is quite cool. It's got little pads at the bottom here, where they connect up, and then you obviously stick the USB cable into the charging dock, and that's how it charges. But since it already has battery, we don't need this, and neither do we need the USB cables. That can go to the side. A quick flick through the instructions will probably shine some light on exactly how you're meant to use it. So, steps, here we go. The first step, and the parallel hole on the fuselage braces will power shaft and installed in place. I have no clue what that means. I'm just going to assume we've done that. Second steps, this product is special. Toothpaste into braces can also use ordinary toothpaste. Okay, so you quite literally just put the toothpaste in here, which I can already see there's a problem, because on a normal toothbrush, you just put a little, little pea size or whatever onto the actual toothbrush itself. Here, this is a big mouth guard, so you're gonna have to put quite a lot of toothpaste, I'm assuming on either side, just to clean your teeth. So you're gonna go through a lot of toothpaste with this product, but that's, if it's really cool and it saves you time, that's probably not a big deal. Toothpaste isn't that expensive after all. Third steps, wet mouth tray and then put into mouth. Upper and lower teeth gently with alveolar. V-White toothbrush is oscillated 63 times per minute by your hand. A comfortable and fast teeth cleaning will be finished within 30 to 45 seconds. Very cool. And fourth step, clean the braces and body braces with water, rinse, dry, and use wet cloth to wipe the fuselage. Okay, so really simple. Don't actually really need instructions for this product, but at least we know what we're doing. So I'm going to go ahead, get some toothpaste and try it out. Okay, so I've got my toothpaste, I've got a glass of water and a spit glass. I know it doesn't sound nice, but okay, I've got to spit it out somewhere. and the actual toothbrush. So I'm going to first wet it. I'm just going to dunk it into the water, like so. Let's get the toothpaste out. And I'm just going to try and put a nice amount evenly. Oh, this is already not working, is it? Okay, and another one on that side. Maybe just sort of, see, this is already becoming quite a messy product, but never mind. To be fair, there is a type of toothpaste you can buy which has a what do you call it, like a spray, like a foamy type thing. Probably more ideal for this product. But I'm just going to put some on the underside as well. There we go. You get the hang of it actually. Alright. That's the toothpaste. So I'm just going to plump this in my mouth. Okay. Right. Putting a bit more water. That's a lot of toothpaste. Okay. Did it clean my teeth? It's hard to tell. I mean, sure, my mouth feels clean, but I think that is more down to just having a mouth full of toothpaste. Because it doesn't actually do anything other than vibrate. It's literally just strong vibrations in your mouth. And maybe that does actually clean your teeth, but I can't, honestly, I don't get the scrubbing sensation you'd get from a toothbrush. Like, I use an electric toothbrush, an Oral-B or whatever it's called. And you know, when it's fully charged and you put it on a tooth, you feel the power of it. You know, you can really feel it scrubbing your teeth and it feels clean. And maybe that's just a placebo effect. Maybe this genuinely does actually clean your teeth just as well. But because it doesn't have that scrubbing feel to it, it doesn't actually feel, let me put these to the side. It doesn't actually feel like it's doing much. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes any sense. I mean, sure, my mouth feels extremely minty and fresh and clean, but that's generally, I think it's because I'm just putting minty fresh toothpaste in my mouth, and quite a lot of it as well. It's a very difficult one. It's really hard to ask if it works. The only way I can really tell you if it works is if I actually replaced my normal toothbrush and did a daily, you know, maybe a test of a week or so, twice a day, use this instead of my normal toothbrush and see if my teeth are, you know, just as clean as normal. I guess that's really the only true test you can have, because from this test I'm unsure if it actually works. And that's my honest opinion. I am genuinely unsure if my teeth have actually been properly cleaned. I mean, they feel smooth, but they were smooth before I started this test, because I, you know, only brushed my teeth 5 hours ago or so. So, I don't know. I don't know. I think the best thing, I don't know, this product has really stumped me. I don't want to say, oh, it doesn't work, it's not good, because I might be completely wrong. I might be genuinely completely wrong. And it's got, you know, a light, I don't know what they call it, a cold light, but I think that's to whiten your teeth. Again, I don't know if that actually works. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to actually use this on a daily basis for a week, and I'm going to update you all if it genuinely works, and I'm going to update you on my social media. So go ahead, follow my social media. Mainly Instagram is what I use. The links are above me right here. Go to Instagram, give me a follow, and I will update you in a week's time whether this toothbrush actually genuinely works as a good toothbrush. I will leave a link to it in the description below. Go ahead, check it out. It's not very expensive. I can't remember the exact amount I paid for it, but I think it was only about £15. So extremely cheap. Even for an electric toothbrush, you can't really get for £15. So don't expect it to be as good as an Oral-B, you know, supersonic care toothbrush, because, well, the price ranges are completely different. It's a whole different style of cleaning your teeth, which I quite like actually, and my mouth does feel extremely good. So go ahead, check it out, pick one up, give it a try. I'll leave a link to it in the description below. If you haven't yet subscribed, please do hit that subscribe button and also hit that bell icon so you never miss any of my new uploads. I've got a lot more stuff to unbox and review, so I hope to see you again soon. Once again, thank you for watching, and until next time, feed your mind.